I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today we're going to be making roasted asparagus. This is a very simple side dish to make and it is so good. We're going to start with fresh asparagus spears, and the main thing you have to remember when you're working with fresh asparagus is you do have to cut off the very end of the asparagus spears because this part of the asparagus is very tough and woody. And these I've already cut the ends off, and I'm laying these in a foil lined rimmed baking sheet, and it is important that you use a rimmed baking sheet when you roast the asparagus. Now I'll just finish cutting off the ends. And you don't want the asparagus to be piled on top of each other. They just need to be in a single layer on the baking sheet, just like this. Then we're going to drizzle these with extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle them with salt, and I like to use either sea salt, which this is coarse sea salt, or a kosher salt that's a coarser texture. And then some fresh ground pepper. Now all we have to do is roast these in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes and they will be absolutely delicious. I've just taken the roasted asparagus out of the oven and you can see how wonderful it looks. Now I'm going to plate it. Tonight we're serving fabulous fish that was cooked in the microwave, and there is a YouTube video that's uploaded on that, and my Italian roasted fingerling potatoes along with the oven roasted asparagus. And usually on the asparagus, 5 to 6 pieces of asparagus is a good serving. So there you see roasted asparagus, fabulous fish, and Italian roasted fingerling potatoes. Enjoy.